Birds of a feather, understanding unity and similarity. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore an interesting English phrase that you might have heard before: birds of a feather. This phrase is often used to talk about people who share similar interests, habits, or characteristics. Let's dive into what it means and how you can use it in your everyday conversations. The full saying is actually, birds of a feather flock together. This idiom dates back to the 16th century and is rooted in the observation of nature. Just as birds of the same species often stick together in groups, the phrase suggests that people tend to form groups with those who are similar to themselves. In modern English, birds of a feather is often used to describe friendships or groups based on shared traits or interests. It can be used both positively, to celebrate commonality, or negatively, to critique exclusivity or lack of diversity. Let's look at how to use birds of a feather in sentences. 1. They're always together at the library. Truly birds of a feather. 2. Birds of a feather flock together, which is why they get along so well. These examples show the phrase in action, highlighting how it's used to comment on the similarity between people. It's important to note that the phrase is sometimes mistakenly said as birds of one feather. While understandable, the correct expression is birds of a feather. Additionally, there are variations in other languages that carry a similar meaning, showcasing the universal nature of the concept. We hope this video has given you a clear understanding of the phrase, birds of a feather. It's a colorful way to describe how similarities bring people together, much like birds of the same species. Remember, language is not just about words. It's about conveying ideas and understanding human behavior. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next lesson.